Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over error code 1 on your Maytag dishwasher from 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue that can pop up due to problems like water supply interruptions or faulty inlet valves, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, what does error code 1 actually mean? In Maytag dishwashers, especially the 2025 models, this code usually signals that the machine isn't detecting the proper water flow. It could be as simple as a kinked hose or something more involved like a sensor glitch. The good news is, you can often troubleshoot this yourself without calling in a pro. To start, make sure your dishwasher is turned off and unplugged for safety. Check the water supply line connected to your dishwasher. Ensure it's not twisted, blocked, or turned off at the valve. If everything looks good there, try resetting the appliance. Just press and hold the start button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a full minute before plugging it back in. This simple reset works wonders for many electronic errors. Next, inspect the inlet valve. It's located at the bottom of the dishwasher, usually near the water connection. Look for any visible damage, like cracks or debris. If you spot something, you might need to clean it or replace it. Parts are easy to find online or at appliance stores. While you're at it, run a quick test by turning on the water supply and listening for any unusual sounds. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more complex problem, like a faulty water pressure sensor or even a wiring issue. In that case, it's best to consult your user manual or reach out to Maytag customer support. Remember, always prioritize safety and avoid DIY if you're not comfortable with electrical components. There you have it. Quick fixes for Maytag dishwasher error code 1. I hope this helps you get your dishwasher running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.